In this video, I'm going to break down what the minimum down payment is for a home loan and how you can go about getting one. Hey, my name is Roma, and in this video, I'm going to talk about something that is on a lot of people's minds these days, the minimum down payment for a home loan. A lot of people are under the impression that you need to have a huge chunk of change saved up to get a mortgage, but that's not the case. I'm going to break down what the minimum down payment is and how you can go about getting one. Stay tuned. This is my second video as part of a series I am doing for buyers to get educated on the steps they need to take so they can purchase their dream home. If you haven't seen the first video, please go take a look at that one and then come back to this one. A down payment is a sum of money paid in advance to secure the purchase of something, typically to pay the balance in full at a later date. For example, when buying a house, a down payment would be the initial payment made towards the total purchase price of the property. This initial payment is typically a percentage of the total purchase price, with the balance to be paid in installments over time. Depending on the type of loan being used, a down payment may also be required to secure financing. The purpose of a down payment is to provide a measure of security for the seller in case the buyer defaults on their payments. It also shows that the buyer is serious about the purchase and can afford the property. In some cases, the down payment may also be used as a bargaining tool to reduce the overall price of the property. Down payments are typically due at the time of purchase. However, there may be some flexibility depending on the terms of the sale. For example, the seller may be willing to finance the down payment over time. This is typically done in cases where the buyer is unable to come up with the full amount. When it comes to buying a house, the down payment is just one part of the overall equation. Several other costs need to be considered, such as cost of repair, closing costs, and property taxes. It is important to have a clear understanding of all of the costs involved to make sure that you're not overpaying for your new home. Speak with a loan officer and a real estate agent to get a better understanding of all of the costs involved in buying a house so that you can make an informed decision about what is best for you and your family. Now, the million-dollar question: how much do you need to save for the down payment of your dream home? Well, it all depends. First, you need to find out how much a lender is willing to let you borrow to purchase a house. But let's say that you're approved for a $500,000 loan. Generally speaking, most financial experts agree that you should put down at least 10% for the down payment. So in this case, your down payment for your dream home would be $50,000. But let's also say that you qualified for a down payment assistance program, which only requires you to put down a 3% down payment. In this case, your new dream home would only require to put down a down payment of $15,000. Ultimately, the size of your down payment will depend on several factors, including your financial situation, the type of loan you're using, and the purchase price of the property. However, it is important to remember larger down payment will typically result in a lower monthly payment and a lower interest rate. Therefore, it is important to weigh all of your options carefully before making a decision. Now, there are a few different ways that you can go about saving up for your down payment. One option is to open up a dedicated savings account and start setting aside money each month to go into that account. Save automatically. Have a certain amount of money transferred from your paycheck into your savings account. Create a budget. Determine what you can realistically afford to save each month and stick to it. Eliminate debt. The less money you have to spend on debt payments, the more you can put toward your savings account. And find extra money. Look for ways to bring in additional income or cut back on any expenses. So start small. Even if you can only save a little bit each month, it will add up over time. Set a goal. Having a specific goal in mind will help you stay motivated to save. Live below your means. Spending less than you earn is a key part of saving for a down payment. Be patient. It takes time to save for a down payment, so be patient and don't give up. Whichever route you choose, it is important to start saving as soon as possible. The sooner you can come up with a down payment, the sooner you can start enjoying your new home. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.